I see that space. This have to be with focus.
That's a look shaky too, you know.
Alright. No mega handle this. Come.
Five and 6 and 7 and go. Yeah. Yeah, girl. You have it for you. You're not gonna lie.
When I get along, go the door.
Miss Brissette, thank you. We feel more comfortable and she learn fast. So,
No problem. Anytime. This is a gentleman you saw outside.
want a commission?
This is this is Christopher, otherwise known as Whisper.
Nice to meet you, Whisper. You nearly gave me an heart failure this morning, you know?
Sorry, man. That wasn't the intention. But, you know, I'm upon the work.
So, Princess, this is something that I need to say to you. No, the division that Whisper works for, nobody knows of it. And you have to make sure that you make nobody aware of this. This is something we have to keep close or carry to your grave.
Absolutely. Remember, so this is for my safety as well, so definitely I'm going to do as you ask. I don't know him, I ain't gonna know me.
Alright, so Whisper is gonna be a part of your entourage. So just work out the ticket. What I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna have 2 uniforms for the police and 2 private. But Whisper is going to be a shadow. He's going to be watching everything and everybody around you.
Noted. Thank you very much. So, do you want to take it to come to this thing as well?
I'll think about it. I may have to work. Question. This place is vacant?
Yeah, since I've been here.
Okay. Right, good. As it relates to your surroundings, I have that covered. You'll be having regular patrols in the area, just for your safety. And I'll be looking deeper into the phone calls that you're getting. And let's go.
One more thing more you have to do. Whenever you go outside, scan your surrounding from your veranda. See, just like how you see me, I'm a little suspicious. Make like a
Alright, Princess. I think that is it enough. Just send me a rehearsal schedule. So I'll have Crystal be at the rehearsals. And wherever you say Crystal, from time to time, you'll say Whisper. Alright, so we'll keep in touch.
Thank you, Whisper, Miss Brissette,
Anytime.
Crystal, the bad dancer. See you around, Mama. Thank you guys so very much.
Alright, bye.
Okay, Mama.
Oh, Princess. Good luck on your sing performance.
Thank you, Miss Brissette. But when I do good luck, it's a Shellingz. I know that go to the Shellingz no play.
That's the spirit. I like that.
Hi, Doc.